And the last question is, the story is set in which season? You have already heard this story when I was reading. So, if you have paid attention, you will definitely answer the question. So, the last question is, that means the question number 5. The story is set in which season? So, guys, today up to here. So, the remaining part of the story, it is very interesting story of Dickens. So, the remaining part, that is more filled with mystery and thrill, and the end is also quite thrilling. So, next day I will complete the story. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.